Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Amazon Q Developer in Visual Studio 2026. So first here in Google search box, write there Amazon Q Developer. Then go on this AWS site, Amazon Q Developer. Let's go. Then you need to scroll down. So this is Amazon Q Developer you can use in JetBrains, VS Code, Eclipse, and Visual Studio. So clicking on this Visual Studio, then you can get this AWS Toolkit with Amazon Q. Now click on this download. So this is now downloading the files. Now here you can see this Visual Studio, this already open. So first we need to close this one. And now simply you need to click on this VSIX file. Now here you can see initializing from Microsoft Corporation. Click on yes. Now automatically this is detected here, Visual Studio Community 2026. Now click on this install. So this here installing AWS Toolkit with Amazon Q Developer. Now you can see install complete. This completed here. Then after opening this place, Visual Studio 2026, Microsoft Visual Studio. So here already have the project. Now the next is here you can see automatically this come there getting started AWS Toolkit. So this toolkit is there, this AWS transform with AI coding and this here Q developer. So build your application faster with your AI coding companion. Click on this enable. Then you need to click on this sign in. Click on this proceed to. So this come there. Now click on this allow. This approved. Minimize. Then after here we need to close this one. This Visual Studio closing. Start the Visual Studio again. Opening the same project. Thereafter here. The next is here AWS. This come there. More details. Let's close this one. AWS Amazon Q Developer. Now thereafter in search box, right there Amazon. Then you can get there Amazon Q. Let's click this. So Amazon Q is now Q chat is starting off. Now this done. Thereafter let's close this. Acknowledge. Now there you can write any kind of code. So first here, uh, simply writing there add two numbers program in CSAP. Okay, I did the mistake. Okay, this is detected there. Automatically this code that's come inside the console. Now simply need to click on this start here. Let's test the code 9717 that's display. Press enter to close. Now thereafter uh, Tower of Hanoi code in C sharp. So automatically the code that's come there. The next is simply you need to click on this start, enter the disk. Let's skip there 4. So this come in the output. Now let's search here. Take joy program and C sharp. So this here automatically the codes that's added. Now let's start. Now let's keep the number one by one quickly. So here player one that's win. Like this you can use this Amazon Q developer in your Visual Studio. So this is how we can install this Amazon Q developer in Visual Studio 2026. So I hope guys this video is so helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.